Greetings, fellow crypto enthusiasts. Today, we venture into the world of automated crypto trading with uTrading-AI. uTrading-AI is a cutting-edge trading bot that harnesses the power of artificial intelligence and machine learning to analyze the cryptocurrency market and execute trades on your behalf, 24/7. Its mission? To help you maximize profits while saving time and effort. Purpose of the review. In this review, we will explore uTrading-AI, a crypto trading bot powered by artificial intelligence and machine learning. Our aim is to provide you with an honest assessment of uTrading-AI's safety, performance, and features. We'll delve into how the bot operates, its user experience, profitability potential, transparency, and any limitations or drawbacks. By the end, you'll have the information you need to make an informed decision about uTrading-AI. Let's dive in. As we dive deeper into the world of crypto trading, I want to give a shout out to our sponsor, StormGain. This platform and mobile app are the perfect solution for all your crypto needs. Buying, selling, exchanging, trading, hodling, or even mining Bitcoin and other digital assets? StormGain has got you covered with zero trading commissions, up to 500x leverage, free Bitcoin mining, exclusive trading signals, and more. With StormGain, you can use your credit card to buy and withdraw crypto, and they even provide secure multi-currency wallets to keep your funds safe. Whether you're a beginner or an expert, StormGain is the ideal choice, with a simple registration process that doesn't require KYC hassles. So, if you're ready to take your crypto trading to the next level, check out the link in the video description to get started with StormGain. And if you enjoy our content, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video with your friends and fellow crypto enthusiasts. Let's keep exploring the exciting world of cryptocurrency together. 2. Background information. A concept of crypto trading robots. Crypto trading robots, also known as bots, are software programs that automatically execute trades in the cryptocurrency market based on predefined rules and algorithms. These bots use complex mathematical models and algorithms to analyze market data and make decisions about when to buy or sell cryptocurrencies. Growing popularity of automated trading solutions. The popularity of automated trading solutions has grown rapidly in recent years, as more and more traders look for ways to take advantage of the 24/7 nature of the cryptocurrency market. Automated trading solutions can execute trades much faster and more efficiently than humans, and they can operate without the need for sleep or breaks. Furthermore, the use of AI and machine learning technologies in these bots has made them even more sophisticated, allowing them to learn and adapt to changing market conditions. As a result, many traders are turning to crypto trading robots as a way to increase their profitability.